Picture this, crypto whales are silently stacking up XRP like it's a rare gem. But here's the kicker, this massive accumulation could signal one of the biggest moves in XRP's history. Could we be staring at a supply crunch so intense it propels XRP to $4 or beyond? Stay tuned, because in today's video, we'll uncover the clues hidden in whale behavior, price patterns, and expert predictions. If you hold XRP or are considering diving in, this is a must watch. Let's get into it. Welcome to Zachy Crypto Update, your #1 stop for deep dives, sharp analysis, and updates from the ever-dynamic world of cryptocurrencies. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just crypto curious, you're in the right place. Make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you'll never miss a beat in the crypto space. And hey, if you find today's video insightful, a thumbs up would mean the world to us. Now, let's explore why whales are circling XRP and what this could mean for your portfolio. In today's breakdown, we'll explore recent XRP price movements, the growing influence of crypto whales, and the possibility of a supply squeeze triggering a breakout to $4. But that's not all. We'll also dive into what the technical charts are signaling and how to navigate the contradictory signals in the market. Plus, we'll share some practical tips on whether to hold, buy, or wait. Stick around until the end for the full picture. You don't want to miss this. Let's kick things off by examining XRP's recent price action. Over the last month, XRP has managed to rise by over 140%. Catching the attention of both retail investors and institutional players. It's the kind of movement that reminds us why the crypto market is so exciting. But the story doesn't stop there. Over the past week, XRP has entered what analysts refer to as an accumulation phase. This is where prices stabilize, bouncing within a relatively narrow range. It's not the wild roller coaster we saw earlier, but don't let that fool you. This calm could be the precursor to something huge. For context, XRP saw a slight dip of 2.43% last week, and in the last 24 hours, it's down by roughly 14.93%. At first glance, these numbers might seem underwhelming, but accumulation phases are historically when smart money positions itself for the next big move. And that brings us to the role of whales in all this. Now, here's where it gets really interesting. Crypto whales, the big players who hold massive amounts of A tokens, are making significant moves in the XRP market. According to Whale Alert, an analytics platform that tracks large crypto transactions, XRP has seen major outflows from Binance and other exchanges. In just 24 hours, over 800 million XRP, worth nearly $1.9 billion, was moved off exchanges and into private wallets. So why is this important? When whales transfer their holdings off exchanges, it's often a sign that they're preparing to hold long term. Think about it, private wallets are like safes. They're not used for frequent trading. This shift reduces the circulating supply on exchanges, creating the potential for a supply crunch. If demand remains strong or increases, basic economics tells us that prices are likely to rise. This whale activity is a strong bullish signal suggesting confidence in XRP's future. It's also worth noting that similar patterns have preceded major price movements in the past. Could we be on the brink of another breakout? The signs are compelling, but there's more to consider. Let's shift gears and talk about the charts. Many analysts believe XRP is forming a classic technical pattern called a symmetrical triangle. This occurs when price action consolidates, forming a triangle shape with support and resistance levels that converge over time. It's like watching a spring compress. When it releases, the movement can be explosive. Currently, XRP's support level is holding steady and the resistance level is tightening. If XRP breaks out of this pattern, historical data suggests we could see a price increase of over 66%, pushing XRP toward the $4 mark. That's a significant leap, but it's not guaranteed. Breakouts can go either way, so it's crucial to monitor these levels closely. What's particularly encouraging is that XRP's funding rate remains positive, currently sitting at 0.102%. This means traders are willing to pay a premium to go long on XRP, signaling bullish sentiment. However, there are conflicting signals we need to address before jumping to conclusions. While the technical setup looks promising, the broader market is sending mixed signals. XRP's open interest, a measure of active contracts in the futures market, has dropped by 2.35% in the last 24 hours, now sitting at $0.35 billion. This suggests that more traders are opening short positions, betting on a price decline. It's like a tug-of-war between the bulls and the bears. For XRP to make a decisive move, we need to see a reversal in open interest. If bullish sentiment gains traction and whales continue to reduce exchange liquidity, the odds of a breakout increase dramatically. But until then, it's a waiting game. The market's indecision is a reminder to stay cautious and avoid making impulsive moves. Stepping back, it's important to remember that XRP isn't just another altcoin. It's designed for a specific purpose, facilitating cross-border payments. Ripple, the company behind XRP, has forged partnerships with major financial institutions worldwide. This utility gives XRP a unique edge, especially in a market that's often driven by speculation. However, regulatory uncertainty remains a challenge. The ongoing legal battle between Ripple and the SEC has cast a shadow over XRP's prospects. While recent developments have been favorable for Ripple, the final outcome is still uncertain. This is something every investor should keep in mind when considering XRP. That said, the broader trend of institutional adoption is undeniably bullish. As more companies integrate blockchain technology into their operations, XRP's role in the global financial system could expand significantly. So what should you do if you're holding or planning to buy XRP? Here are a few practical tips. Platforms like Whale Alert can provide valuable insights into large transactions. If outflows from exchanges continue, it's a strong bullish signal. Keep an eye on XRP's support and resistance levels. A breakout from the symmetrical triangle could indicate the start of a major move. Never put all your eggs in one basket. Even if you're confident in XRP's potential, diversification is key to managing risk. The crypto market moves fast, and new developments can change the narrative overnight. Subscribe to reliable sources for the latest updates. Whether you're in it for the long haul or looking for short-term gains, always have an exit strategy. Know your target prices and stick to your plan. Before we dive into the final section, let me take a moment to thank you for watching. If you're finding this analysis helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Your support helps us bring you more in-depth crypto content, and if you have any questions or thoughts, drop them in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. To wrap things up, XRP is at a pivotal moment. Whale activity suggests confidence in its long-term potential, while the technical charts hint at a possible breakout, but the market's mixed signals remind us to stay cautious and grounded. Whether XRP hits $4 in the near future or takes longer to reach its full potential, one thing is clear. This is a project with utility and a growing network of supporters. If you're willing to ride out the volatility, the rewards could be substantial. But as always, invest responsibly, and only with money can you afford to lose. Thank you for tuning in to Zachy Crypto Update. If you found this video insightful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more expert analysis and updates. And don't forget to check out our other videos. There's always something new to learn in the world of crypto. Until next time, stay informed, stay curious, and stay ahead. This content is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Always do your own research and consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Cryptocurrencies are highly volatile and carry significant risks. Past performance is not indicative of future results.